Hello everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing bridge course assignment. As in a previous video, I told you that we have completed bridge course assignment of standard 3. Now we will move towards bridge course assignment of 4th standard. New bridge course assignment. Okay? That you have to write in your fair book. I will tell you where you have to write in a fair book or which thing you have to write in a rough book. Okay? So let's begin our today's session with a beautiful quote, and that is, luck always follows hard work. Means a person who do hard work, always doing hard work, luck always follows that person, right? So never depends only on luck. Do your hard work, then wait for your luck. Okay? So let's begin. In the previous session, we have seen topic of present tense, which is related to the bridge course of 4th standard. Okay? So let's revise again. This definition you have to write in your rough book. So those who missed the previous video, now write with me, and those who have already written, check all the things, all the points that you have written or not. Okay? So let's begin. First of all, give heading simple present tense. Simple present tense. Now, definition of present tense. Definition of present tense, that is, the tense which expresses an unchanging repeated or reoccurring action or situation that exist only now. You have to underline the words, right? You have to underline all the words which I have put underlined. Okay? The tense which expresses an unchanging, repeated or reoccurring action or situation that exists only now. Then it can also represent a widespread truth. Now underline these words: widespread truth. So my dear students, as this is the points of revision, so for the brief explanation, kindly watch the previous video. Today we are going to just revise it, okay? Now, let's write these points. Facts. First give heading. Facts. Facts. In that, write example. I live in Poland. I live in Poland. Then point number 2, habits and routines. Habits and routines. So in that, write example. They swim every day. They swim every day. Now, point number 3, feeling and emotions. Feeling and emotions. Now write example. They like pizza. They like pizza. They like pizza. Now, the last point number 4, general truth. General truth. Now, write example in the next line. Sunday comes after Saturday. Sunday comes after Saturday. Now, I am repeating this so that if you have missed anything, you can write it. Facts. I live in Poland. Number 2, habits and routines. They swim every day. Number 3, feeling and emotions. They like pizza. And number 4, general truth. Sunday comes after Saturday. Now, let's see how to form sentence of simple present tense. How to form sentence of simple present tense. Now, positive form, subject plus verb. So in that, he, she or it. With he, she or it, you have to write S. He, she or it, you have to write S. Then with I, you, we, you, they, you have to write main verb as it is. Don't need to write S. Okay? Then with subject plus does or do not for the negative sentence. So with he, she or it, use does not or the short form doesn't plus the verb as it is. Don't need to add s or es. And with I, you, we, you or they, do not or don't plus verb as it is. Don't need to use s or es. Now, when you are making a question, so in question, does or do will come the first, and then does or do will come the first. Just change the columns, then he, she or it, verb will remain as it is, and here also verb will remain as it is. Now, let's start to write. Now, let's write positive form. First give heading positive form and then make 2 columns. Give heading positive form and then make 2 columns. Now give heading positive form, then subject plus verb 1 in bracket s, es or ies, s, es or ies. Now write in the first column, he, she, it, he, she, it. So with he, she or it, use s. This is just example. Use s. Starts. He, she, it plus verb with s. Then in the next lines, you, I, you, we, you, they. I, you, we, you, they plus start means here you don't need to use s or es. Now let's write the full example. I like like it it I like it. And next, she likes likes it. She likes it. I like it. She likes it. Okay? When you are making a positive sentence, then with he, she, or it, you have to use s, es, or ies. And when you are making positive sentence with I, you, we, you, or they, you don't need to use s, es, anything. Okay? Now, let's see how to make negative form. Let's see how to make negative form. Subject plus does not or do not plus verb. Subject plus does not or do not plus verb. Now let's see where you have to use does not or where you have to use do not. Okay, let's see. With he, she, or it, when you are making a negative sentence with he, she, or it, use does not to make a negative sentence or the short form doesn't. Does not or the short form doesn't. He, she, or it, with that use does not or doesn't plus start. Means the main thing which you need to remember is while making a negative sentence, making a negative form, you don't need to use s, ies, or es. You don't need to add anything in the verb. It will remain as it is. You don't need to add anything in that. Just remain one thing. Remember one thing. When you are making a negative sentence with he, she, or it, use does not. Okay? Now let's move to the next point, that is I, you, we, you, they. So when you are making a negative sentence with I, you, we, you, or they, you have to use do not or the short form don't. Do not or the short form don't. And start. Okay? Start means verb will remain as it is. You don't need to make any change in that. Okay? I, you, we, you, they plus do not or the short form don't, or verb will remain as it is. Okay? Now let's write example. Let's write example. I do not I do not, or the short form in bracket I have written don't. I do not or don't like it. I do not like it, or you can say I don't like it. I do not like it, or I don't like it. Then number 2, she does not not instead of does not you can use doesn't. You can use doesn't, short form. She does not or the doesn't like it. She does not or she doesn't like it. Now let's see how to make question. Let's see how to make question. So for making a question, what you need to do is just interchange of columns. Here we have seen how to make negative sentence, so just interchange the column. While you are making a question mark, questions with he, she or it in a simple present tense, use does. Use does. Does plus he, she or it plus verb. Does plus he, she or it plus verb. Now do plus I, you, we, you or they. I, you, we, you, they. So you don't need to add any s or es, and at the end of a sentence you have to put question mark. Let's see in the example how to convert a sentence into a question in simple present tense. Write example with me. You like it. You like it. You like it. Then he likes it. He likes it. Now let's see how to make question of that. You like it. So in that, do you like it? Do you like it? At the end, question mark. Then he likes it. So at the while making a question, does she like it? Does she like it? You like it. So do you like it? And then he likes it. So does she like it? Now let's solve question number 1 of your new bridge course. Question number 1 of your new bridge course. Bridge course of 4th standard. Okay. So first of all, write instruction with me. Write instruction with me. Circle the correct correct verb verb of of present tense. Circle the correct verb of present tense. Now, question 1. I greet or oblique greets. I greet oblique greets my friends on their birthday. First write all the question, then we will put tick mark on the correct answer. Okay, so let's write all the questions first. So here number 1 completes. Now let's write number 2. You make oblique makes delicious food. You make or makes delicious food. Now number 3. My father play oblique plays golf on Saturdays. My father plays golf on Saturdays. Then question number 4. The child like or likes colorful dresses. The child likes colorful dresses. Number 5. Sally go or goes to the church on Sundays. And number 6. She keeps her room neat and tidy. Now let's see all the answers. Answer number 1. Greet. I greet my friends on their birthday. Then number 2. Make. You make delicious food. Then number 3. Plays. My father plays golf on Saturdays. Then number 4. Likes. The child likes colorful dresses. Then number 5. Goes. Sally goes to the church on Sundays. Number 6. Keeps. She keeps her room neat and tidy. So my dear students, today we will do till here only. So regarding today's session, if you are having any doubts, feel free to ask me. We will meet in the next session with the left topics of this bridge course assignment. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.